Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another macro from our friend Eskimo that puts these macros out. He's had this one out a while. I've never really looked at it. It's it's not his maybe to me maybe not the most helpful, but it does have its purpose. It's called guideline distance, and I'm going to send. I'll put a link to his link to his blog that where you can go and get this macro. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Tools, Scripts, and right here is guideline distance. So I'm going to check on this, and it's going to open up a window. Now, I know that this circle is 10 inches. If I select that and shift select that, it gives me that 10 inches. Where it could be an advantage, if you needed to go, you could right click and go into, decimal places, have a lot more decimal places, but also units. This is 254 millimeters. So if you wanted to find out, if somebody sends you something in millimeters and you want it to inches, so let's just do that. Let's change our decimals to millimeters, and let's draw a circle, and you want to know what that circle is in inches. Well, let's take this and just get it out of the way. And let's bring in an indexing line and have it snap to it. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and then grab it and have it snap to it. So if we shift select, you have to shift select both lines, and it comes up with that's 164.27. But if you want to know what it is in inches, right click on this box and go to units and go to inches. So that is, and we don't have to have the decimal place that far out. We can right click again and go decimal places and just say 3. So that is 6.355 inch circle, but up here I'm reading millimeters. So I'll put a link to this macro. It's free. Eskimo does it for the Corel community. Anyway, I hope that sparked your interest a little bit. Thank you for watching.